Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm talking all about food prepping. Now, since the beginning of the year, I've been getting much more into food prepping just because my schedule's been getting really busy, and I feel like it's the best way to keep healthy and make it much easier for you, because I know that feeling you get home from work and you're knackered and you just end up ordering like a takeaway because you just want to eat something quickly. So food prepping is amazing because it plans out your meals throughout the week, and then you end up eating good, healthy, delicious home-cooked meals every single day, which is awesome. So how to food prep. So what I like to do is on a Saturday, make a list of like some of the recipes that I want to do. I'll look online, maybe look through some books and just sort of decide, okay, these are the sorts of things that I'm going to have. Then I'll do a shop, whether it's online or head down to the shops. And then Sunday I use as like my food prep day. I'll just take few hours out of the day. Sometimes I just do it in front of like some Sunday like television or something like that to make a few things. So the things I love to make on a Sunday are like a big thing of brown rice, some roasted vegetables, or some roasted quinoa, not roasted quinoa, cooked quinoa. You can roast it if you want to. Sometimes I love doing like a roast chicken, and then I might grab some like fish and marinate it for the week. I always get like loads of oats and then like soak them in some like almond milk and make some kind of like overnight oat porridges for the week. Other things I love to do is like make smoothies in advance. If you're a smoothie person, you can just get some like banana and berries and chop them up and put them into little bags and then freeze them, and then you just grab them out, blend that with some liquid, and then you've got a smoothie in the morning. Really quick and easy, you don't have to do chopping. But like things like that, use this Sunday as like this day to kind of prep and make things ahead. My other tip is to cook once, eat twice. So when you're cooking in the evening, make an extra portion for lunch the next day. And that's how I sort of plan out my schedule, is that when I'm making a meal, I make it for two. I make it for me for dinner and then me for lunch the next day. And that just makes things so easy. You've got it in your Tupperware container. And talking of Tupperware, that is something key that you need to have. So get yourself, I love using like glass Tupperware. It's really good for like storing like big stews. So if you make like a big stew for the week and then you freeze it or you keep it in your fridge, just think having like Tupperware. I know it sometimes doesn't look very cool when you bring it to work and you kind of bring out your lunch, but trust me, it is the best thing to do. So some of the great benefits for when you food prep is it saves you time, it saves you money, it kind of keeps you on track as well. And if you don't want to do everything on a Sunday, you could also maybe take a few hours out on a Wednesday as well to do a little bit more prep, which I often do. And I think the thing about it is being realistic, because I often eat out or love going out for dinner, so like factor that into your plan as well. You know, don't make loads and loads of food even though you're like going away for the weekend or something. I think that's key, because you don't want to waste food. There's nothing worse than like having so much lovely food that's like gone off in your fridge. Never a good thing. So guys, those are my tips for food prepping. I hope they inspire you to start food prepping, get that diary out, write some stuff down on Saturday, use my website, it's got tons and tons of recipes in it for you to enjoy, get cooking on a Sunday, and I'll see you next time. Bye!